Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add tags to a user. So firstly open up your browser and log into your website, and after you reach your dashboard there is one more setting that you have to enable in order to use tags properly. So you can just go to admin center by clicking at the 4-box icon at the top right corner, then admin center, then just go to object and rules, and then you will find settings under ticket section. Just click on settings and just scroll down until you find a column called tag. Now this is the tag section in which you have to enable tags on ticket, and this will now allow you to add tags manually to a ticket. So in order to check this, let's go back to our dashboard and open up a ticket, and if you have any tickets, just open up any one of them. Now we'll add some tags manually. For example, add tag. And now this is the way how you can add tags manually. There is also another method that you can use to add tags, and that would be macros. So in order to check that, I will first delete the tags. And if you remember, in our previous video I created a macro. So now in order to see the macro, just go down and click on apply macro, and now here you can see the macro which I created. Just click on the macro and now it will add a tag automatically for you. And then if you want to change something, you can just change, and after that you can just press on submit, and now the tag has been added. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.